Hello, I'm back. I'm here today rather for another powerful class. I hope you enjoy the previous class. Today, we want to look at something very important that has to do with real life situation. A senatorial candidate had planned to visit 7 cities prior to 2027 general election. However, he could only visit 4 of the cities. How many different itineraries could he consider? When you see a question like this, you'll be wondering, what are you going to do and how are you going to start? I want to call your attention back to what we call permutation. This is permutation. This very man had planned to visit some cities, but because of circumstances, he could only visit 4. So how many ways can he do that? And since we have our 4 and 7, 7 is the targeted number of cities, which is the largest. And 4 is the one he was able to, or what, consider to visit. So for that reason, we're writing it this way. We have our n permutation r. The n I told us earlier will represent our 7, which is the total number of the city he targeted, and then 4 is the one he considered because of circumstances or other engagements. So, and the formula is n factorial all over n minus r bracket open and close factorial. So if n is our 7, then we'll have 7 permutation, r is our 4. And for that reason, we'll have 7 factorial all over 7 minus 4, bracket open and close factorial. Now, our 7 factorial, we have it all over 7 minus 4 will give us 3. So here we have 3 times this factorial is 3 factorial. Now we write the numerator, which is the 7 factorial, to be 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 and times 3 factorial all over 3 factorial. Why did I stop at 3 factorial? It's because the denominator is in 3 factorial. In order not to waste much of our time, we have to stop here and then eliminate this 3 factorial and this. And we are left with 7 times 6 times 4. Sorry, times 5 and then times 4. 4 times 5 times 6 is 30. We have 30 times 4, 0. Here is 12 and then times this very 7. 7 times 0 give us 0. 7 times 2 is 14. We write 4 carry 1. 7 times 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8. So it means that we are going to have 840 itineraries that will be considered. And that is our answer. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Like, share, and comment. See you in the next class.